हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एस क्लासेस। आज हम +2 के लिए आगे सिलेबस कर रहे हैं। इसमें चैप्टर 7 इंटीग्रल इज गोइंग ऑन दिस चैप्टर 7 इंटीग्रल फ्रॉम एनसीईआरटी बुक। वी आर डूइंग एक्सरसाइज सॉल्यूशन ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन, एनसीईआरटी सॉल्यूशन। ओके, नाउ देयर इज 7.6 एक्सरसाइज टुडे। अप टू 7.6 have been done. ठीक है, now the NCERT book question 5 to 10. These questions depend on integral by part. By part. Integral by part means first part, second part. Product of the two function. Multiplication form of the two function. Okay. Product form. Then by part. So means first part and second part. Two types functions will be there. Out of five functions are there. I explained ILATE. According to ILATE, you have to make the order. Which will be the first, which will be the second part. Not like that, which is written in the question, that will be first and second. No. According to the ILATE definition, technical, it is order first, second according to this. If one is the log function, other is the trigonometry, तो log function first, trigonometry बाद में है. If one is the exponential function e and one is algebraic, तो algebraic first, exponential last में है. ठीक है. If one is the trigonometry, other is the algebra, then algebra first, trigonometry second. Like this. So algebra and the log. Algebra and log. See here this example. Algebra is not first, but here first algebra written. Algebra में बाद में है, log first है, तो log first होगा. Log function will be the first function. So for this example you see, and this will be second function. According to I, I means inverse trigonometry, L means log function, A means algebraic function, polynomial algebra, x power something, and T trigonometry function you know, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, and other sec, cosec, and the cot you know. In that any expression that is called trigonometric function. And then E exponential power में x हो, A power x, E power x. ठीक है, क्लियर. अगर x पावर 3 है, x पावर 4 है, x पावर n है, तो वो अलजेब्रा है. ओके, अलजेब्रा. ठीक है, अलजेब्रा x पावर any other natural number. ठीक है, this and this trigonometry of and this exponential a power x or e power x. These exponential. A belongs to any real number. A belongs to real number. A belongs to a real number except 0. A not be 0. Okay. D. According to this, then formula I told you. What is formula? Using formula, first, second, integral of this, that is u, it is v, dx is equal to first as it is into integral of second, ठीक है, and minus whole bracket and integral and derivative of first function and into integral of second. Okay, and then whole bracket again integral of all this here plus constant. This is your integral formula of the product of two parts. This is called part. Integral by part. By part, what is this? According to this question, use this formula. Then first as it is. Okay, beta. Then first solution. First as it is means log 2 2x adjective. Integral of x. Integral of x. X is square by 2 minus whole integral minus formula है, ठीक है, and then close bracket यानी square bracket and then derivative of first is log 2x, so derivative of log x 1 upon x, first is 2x, so 1 upon 2x and into derivative of 2x is 2 into 2, okay beta, derivative you know, derivative of 2x, 2 derivative of 2x is 2, ठीक है बेटा, क्लियर, हाँ, derivative we are taking, the derivative same rule, okay, then into integral of second is x, integral of x is square by 2, bracket dx plus integral constant, okay, now simplify this log 2x and x is square by 2 into log 2x as it and minus this and here this 2 से 2 cancel, then it is x और x cancel, so minus integral of this left here x only and denominator में 2 x upon 2, so 1 upon 2 out and integral of x dx done plus integral constant, okay, now use this formula, okay, and then now simplify and write x is here by 2 log of 2x minus integral of x is square by 2 half as it is out and by 2 and 2 to the 4 plus constant done. You can take common if you want to take, otherwise x square upon 2 you take common and you can write or this answer done, okay, next question, yes beta, next question number 6, integral of x square into log x, so this also multiply of two functions, one is algebra, one is log, so algebra and log, so which is first, log is according to I8 log is first algebra बाद में है, तो log first algebra second, ये ध्यान रखना है, ओके बेटा, order according to I8 and then use the formula I told you, which formula, u into v, first into second, integral is equal to, again writing integral of first into second function in variable x is equal to first as it is into integral of second, okay beta, and minus whole integral and derivative of first and into integral of second and then whole bracket into dx plus constant. Done. So use this formula. Then first as it is, first is log x. Okay, beta. Log x as it is. Then integral of x is square. X power 2 plus 1, 3 upon 3. X power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Minus integral on bracket derivative of first is log x, derivative of log x 1 upon x into integral of second x cubed by 3. Done. Again whole bracket and then dx. Again integral of whole and plus integral constant. Now simplify, then this x cube upon 3 into log x, okay, and minus 1 power cancel, तो ये बच जाएगा एक्स स्क्वायर इंटीग्रल ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन 3, okay, plus integral constant. Now integral of this ideas x cube upon 3 log x, okay, clear this, and then minus x square x cube by 3, 3 3 is 9, x cube by 9, okay beta, and then plus integral constant. This is your answer, or you can take common x cube by 3 and you can write, okay, as it is you can write. Next question, question number 7, integral of x is sin inverse x, no inverse trigonometry and algebra, तो यहाँ inverse trigonometry first है, तो inverse trigonometry sin inverse x will be first according to Euler, and algebra बाद में है, algebra will be the second, okay. Now this integral by using the formula is direct, first as it is and sin inverse x as it is, sin inverse x as it is, yes yes, okay, हाँ जी बेटा, ये inverse first and second, then first as it is inverse function and integral of second, integral of x square by 2, okay, and then minus integral of whole bracket and derivative of first is sin inverse x, derivative of sin inverse x 1 upon derivative of sin inverse x 1 upon square root 1 minus x square, derivative of sin inverse x is into integral of second, that is integral of x square by 2 and whole bracket here. Now simplify this. How can simplify? This is an important question, okay, because here this small main thing, how you will solve. ये माइनस तो अंदर ले लो, माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर हो जाएगा, ठीक है, और ये प्लस 1 कर दो माइनस 1 कर दो, सबसे पहला काम, तो ये ऐसे ही रहेगा sin inverse x into x square by 2, ओके बेटा, माइनस को प्लस कर दिया और माइनस मैंने अंदर ले लिया, ओके, क्या ले लिया मैंने माइनस अंदर, ये कर दिया माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर, ओके, डन, इसमें प्लस 1 कर दिया माइनस 1 कर दिया, दो पार्ट बना दिए, ठीक है, इसके नीचे 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर के नीचे भी डिनोमिनेटर कर दिया मैंने, और 1/2 पूरे से बाहर ले गया, 1/2 आउट, ठीक, ये 2, देन दिस इज योर root 1 minus x square, okay. Now this minus 1 upon ये भी अलग कर दिया root 1 minus x square, okay. Now this simplify, how दो टर्म बना ली, इस टर्म को अलग इसको अलग, ठीक है, तो पूरे से इंटीग्रेट दोनों हो जाएगा अलग अलग, ठीक है, फर्स्ट ये सिंप्लीफाई किया, ये as it is, okay beta, plus as it is, half as it is from the whole, and one integral is integral of root 1 minus x square dx, एक पार्ट ये बन गया, ये रूट से ऊपर का रूट बन गया बेटा, ये रूट है, जैसे 2 अपॉन रूट 2, तो रूट 2 से 2 कैंसिल होकर रूट 2 बनेगा, बिकॉज 2 इज इक्वल टू रूट 2 इनटू रूट 2, तो वन फैक्टर कैंसिल, सेम थिंग, then minus, and this हाफ पूरे से है, इसको भी फ्रॉम हाफ पूरे से बाहर निकलेंगे अलग से, पूरे कॉमन ब्रैकेट, एंड देन माइनस dx अपॉन स्क्वायर रूट 1 माइनस x स्क्वायर, दो पार्ट होंगे, ठीक है बेटा, इंटीग्रल प्लस c. नाउ हियर दिस as it is x square by 2 sin inverse, important question, sin inverse x plus half integral of 1 minus x square. हाँ जी, our formula chain rule 2x will come, no, but one formula, we special formula we know, a square minus x square root, because root a square minus x square is equal to integral of this dx. This is equal to a square minus x square is equal to, ध्यान देंगे, x upon 2 into integral of this as it is root function a square minus x square. Okay, this as it is, and plus a square minus x square, इसमें यहाँ माइनस आएगा, माइनस फॉर्मूले में माइनस a स्क्वायर बाई 2 इंटू साइन इनवर्स x, ओके बेटा, अपॉन a, साइन इनवर्स x अपॉन a प्लस इंटीग्रल कांस्टेंट, यूज दिस फॉर्मूला, then 1 upon 2 integral of this x by 2, x is x by 2 into as it is 1 minus x square, okay, and minus formula a square, a is 1, a square by 2, ठीक है बेटा, a square by 2 this into sin inverse x upon a is 1, ओके, एक तो ये बन गया, और दूसरा इंटीग्रल ये माइनस दिस इंटीग्रल, ओके, यूज दिस फॉर्मूला, दिस इंटीग्रल एंटी डेरिवेटिव, because derivative of sin inverse x is 1 upon root 1 minus x square, so integral 1 upon root 1 minus x square is equal to sin inverse x, तो माइनस हाफ दिस आउट था, तो हाफ इससे भी आउट होगा, तो हाफ sin inverse half sin inverse x plus integral constant c. Okay, now we can simplify, okay, but this term inverse this, so this term is x by 4 this into square root 1 minus x square. This term I written, no, this is 1 by 2, इसके लिए भी था 1 by 2, ओके बेटा, इसके लिए भी आ गया, ये 1 by 2 दोनों के लिए था, और ये 1 by 2 इसके लिए भी था, ठीक है, तो इट मींस ये हो गया आपका 1 by 2 integral of this full this is क्या, ठीक, तो 1/2 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, इसमें आएगा 4, तो माइनस 1/4 sin inverse x, okay, this formula and minus 1/2 sin inverse x and plus c. 4 प्लस आएगा यहाँ पर प्लस, तो दिस विल बी प्लस 1/4 एंड दिस दोनों बोथ टर्म सिंपलीफाई हो जाएंगे एंड ये x² 2 आल्सो sin इनवर्स x प्लस x² 2 sin इनवर्स x प्लस 1 ये टर्म यहाँ आ गई, ये टर्म आ गई, ये दोनों आ गई, ठीक है। ओके, नाउ ये तीनों में से दो ही सॉल्व हो जाएगी, x/4 सिंपलीफाई होगी स्क्वायर रूट 1 माइनस x स्क्वायर 1/4 पॉजिटिव 1/2 नेगेटिव, तो नेगेटिव 1/4 बचेगा, ठीक है। एंड sin इनवर्स ठीक, ओके, sin इनवर्स x प्लस x² 2 sin इनवर्स x प्लस कांस्टेंट, ये दोनों सॉल्व किए जा सकते हैं, ओके। अदरवाइज दिस आंसर you have to write the answer, okay। important question, सिंपलीफाई कर सकते हैं इसमें sin इनवर्स कॉमन लेकर, ओके, x² 2 minus 1/4, then 4 common लेकर you can write that, okay, done। Like this, next question we can do next question। हाँ जी, yes बेटा, next question, question number 8, integral of x into tan inverse x। तो here also same thing, one is inverse trigonometric, other is algebra। I let inverse first and this algebra second, then use the same formula, this one, okay। So first as it is solution, then tan inverse x as it is integral of x square by 2 minus integral all bracket, then derivative of first tan inverse x, derivative of tan inverse x a square plus x square 1 square plus x square without use, okay beta, this tan inverse x, now after that into integral of second x का integral x square by 2 और bracket into dx and plus integral 1, okay। Now what you have to do, simplify, then x square upon 2 into tan inverse x as it is minus out, and here you see x square ऊपर है तो add करो 1 and subtract 1, add and subtract 1 inside and outside you take 2 and minus outside है ही, so add and subtract 1, add here use किया 1 plus x square और minus 1 upon, अलग अलग कर दिए दोनों, 1 plus x square, okay, and this 1 plus x square, okay, and then this integral of all integral dx, this, understand what's done here, done this, simplified, add here 1 and subtract 1 in numerator है आपका plus x square, तो 1 plus कर दिया और minus 1 कर दिया, okay, and divide by 2 है वो out ले लिया and 1 plus x square दोनों को divide कर दिया, done। This is the important step, understand, x square by 2 tan inverse x minus half out, and integral of this is 1 dx, then integral of 1x, ठीक है, minus integral of this 1 upon 1 plus x square integral, it is the derivative of tan inverse x, so integral of this antiderivative, then tan inverse x, Okay, and plus, done, plus integral constant, done. Okay, then it is minus minus plus half tan inverse x. So half tan inverse x common, या tan inverse x common. ओके, आप tan inverse x भी कह सकते हैं, आपके पास है आप दोनों में, आप tan inverse x common, what will like ये x square, okay, and here plus half tan inverse common ले लिया हमने, तो यहाँ plus 1, okay, this, and then we can say minus x by 2, disturb and plus constant, done. Okay, this has it is, this integral done. Clear? Now this is your answer. So like this you can do. Next question, question 9. हाँ जी बेटा, next question, question 9. But question 9 is similar as question 7. X sin inverse x integral. This is x cos inverse x. Question 9. You can do. Question 7 and 8 we have done. So 9 you can do. 10 I am telling. 10 also important. Question 10. Next question. Question 10 sin inverse x whole square. तो दूसरा फंक्शन है ही नहीं. How you will do? We can't take chain rule in the integral. So multiply by 1. If single, then multiply by 1. Here multiply by 1. So into 1 we can say. So now inverse trigonometry I let ये अलजेब्रा हो जाएगा. So then inverse first and algebra second. 1 is second. Multiply by 1 we can do. Okay. Now this simple multiply by 1. Now this first as it is. Sin inverse x whole square as it is. Integral of 1 dx and x. Okay beta, minus integral of whole bracket, large bracket, then derivative first formula, derivative first. So derivative sin inverse x whole square, chain rule, our formula 2 into sin inverse x, our formula x power n x power n minus 1, 2 minus 1, sin inverse x only, 2 into this, into chain rule, into derivative of sin inverse x, derivative of sin inverse x, 1 upon square root 1 minus x square, derivative of sin inverse x, done. Okay, minus integral of second. Okay, what will come? Integral of this is, understand here what we are doing. Integral of second we are doing. Integral of whole integral, that derivative first into integral of second. Okay, then complete. Plus constant. Then integral into dx plus integral constant. This. Okay. Now simplify. What will come? This as it is, x into sin inverse x whole square minus, simplify this, that here one substitution in the integral. If you let here 1 upon इसका sin इनवर्स x इस t मान लो, तो ये डेरिवेटिव है इसका, तो इसको कैसे करो, लेट ओके बेटा, बाय सब्स्टिट्यूशन इंटीग्रल ऑफ दिस, तो बाय सब्स्टिट्यूशन व्हाट, लेट sin inverse x is equal to t, let this, then derivative of sin inverse x 1 upon square root 1 minus x square into dx will be equal to dt, derivative with respect to x both side. Done. So use this substitution here, then what will come, this 2 out, and sin inverse x dx, sin inverse x is t, this is t, and then 1 upon root 1 minus x square into dx, it is a dt, so root in this is dt, only this, and plus integral constant. Then now x sin inverse x whole square minus 2 t with respect to t integral t square by 2 plus integral constant 2 cancel, then x, this implies x into sin inverse x whole square minus t square, t sin inverse x, then minus, put this t value here, square t plus c constant. Now here sin inverse x common, sin inverse x common, sin inverse x whole square common, so what will left, here x, here minus 1 plus constant. So this is your answer. Important question. Okay, integral of sin inverse x whole square. Now this was the 10th question. Now like, share and subscribe the channel and send the video to the maximum contact, and guide them they must watch, like, share and subscribe the channel. Not forget to subscribe to get the next notification automatically with the device which you are using. Okay, and send the feedback, okay, in the comment box. Thank you.